Great morning, students. Now in our previous video I explained you the word problem, and now today's video I explain you the estimation. Estimation means round off. So we learn how to round off the number. Let us we start round off nearest 10. Round off nearest 10. Let us take one number 56. Because we have to round off nearest 10, so first of all we put underline at the place of 5, and next one digit we make a box at ones place digit. Now we see that this 6 is greater than 5, so we add 1 in the tens place digit. After adding 1 in tens place digit, our number becomes 6, and we replace the ones digit by 0. So our answer is 60. Now we take one more example, that is equal to 75. Now here 7 is the tens place digit and ones place digit is 5, so we put it in the box. Now again we see that this number is equal to 5, so we add 1 in tens place digit, and after adding 1 in tens place the number becomes 8 and ones place digit becomes 0. Clear? Because we replace the box digit by 0. Now let us take one more example, 92, and in this 9 is at the tens place and we make a box on ones place digit. It is 2. It is less than 5, so we never change the tens place digit, and the tens place digit is same as it is, and we replace ones place digit by 0. Clear this one? Now after doing this we learn how to round off nearest 100. And nearest 100, nearest 100. Suppose we take an example of 346. Now here we have to round off nearest 100, that's why we underline the 100 place digit, that is 3, and make a box on tens place digit. Now we see that our tens place digit is 4 and it is less than 5, that's why we write as it is 100 place number and replace the ones and tens place by 0. And after doing this we get the answer is 300. After that we take one more example, that is equal to 779. Again we put 7 in underline because it is at the 100 place, and the next 7 is in the box because it is the tens place. So we see that this 7 is greater than 5, so we add 1 in this, and after adding our number becomes 8, and we replace ones and tens digit by 0. Clear this one? Now we round off nearest 1000. Nearest 1000, and in nearest 1000 we write a number 7000 868. This is our number, and here we see that at 1000 place our number is 7. We see the next one number is 8. So we put it in the box, and after putting it we see that 8 is greater than 5. So we add 1 in this number and our number becomes 8000. We replace ones, tens and 100 digit by 0. Now we take one more example, that is equal to 23,569. Here we see that at 1000 place our number is 3, and we put a box at 100 place digit, and this digit is equal to 5. That's why we add 1 in this, and after adding 1 this number becomes 4. But before this number, this is 23, so our number becomes 24, and we replace ones, tens and 100 place digit by 0. So our answer becomes 24,000. Clear this one? Now we start our exercise. Now in question number 1, it is given that round off nearest 10. A part 36. We have to round off nearest 10. So we put underline at the place of 10. This is 3, and make a box at the place of ones. This is 6. Now we see that this 6 is greater than 5. So we add 1 in the tens place digit, and our number becomes 40. And we replace ones digit by 0. And our answer is 40. Now we take one more part. See, 3869. 3869. Again we have to check our tens digit number. Tens digit number, that is equal to 6. So we underline this number and we make a box on 9. After seeing this, we see that 9 is greater than 5. So we add 1 in the tens place digit. So our number becomes 387. 6 is, after adding 1 in 6, we get a 7. And we replace ones digit by 0. So our answer becomes 3870. Now we start our question number 2. You have to do all parts of question number 1 like this. Now in question number 2, round off nearest 100. Nearest 100. And in this you have to do the first part, that is equal to 840. Your first part is 840. Now here in this question you have to round off the number nearest 100. And here you see that at 100 place your number is 8. So we put underline under this number and we make a box at the place of tens. So we see 1 is smaller than 5. That's why there is no change in 100 place digit and it becomes same as it is, and we write ones and tens place digit by 0. So our answer is 800. Now we take one more example, that is C part 43,126. 43,126. Now again we see that our 100 place digit is 1. So we make a box on tens place number, that is 2. Again we see that 2 is smaller than 5. That's why there is no change in 100 place digit. So our number becomes 431, as it is and we replace ones and tens digit by 0. So our answer is 43,100. Clear this one? Now we start our next question. Now in question number 3, we see that round off nearest 1000. Nearest 1000 round off करना है and we see in the first part the statement is 793. Now here we see that we have no any 1000 number, so we write 0 at the place of 1000 and we underline the 1000 digit and make a box on 100 place number, and now we see that this 7 is greater than 5, so we add 1 in the number, and after adding 1 in 0 we get 1, and now our ones, tens and 100 place digit is replaced by 0 and our answer become 1000. Clear this one? Now the next part. Next is D part, 28,394. 28,394. Now again we have to check the 1000 place. 1000 place number is 8. So we have to underline it, and after that the 3 is at 100 place. So we make it box on it. Now we see that 3 is less than 5. That's why we write the number as it is and replace the ones, tens and 100 digit by 0. Then our number becomes 28,000. Clear this one? Now this is our answer. Now in the next part, question number 4, we have to round off the number nearest 10,000. And this is as it is the question number 3, and this is your homework. You have to do this question yourself. Now we'll learn the single number round off, and in this question we have to estimate each sum nearest 10. First of all, we have to round off these number, and after the round off we have to add the numbers. So we follow the same process. First we take 57 and we round off this nearest 10. So let us start. 5 is in the underline and 7 is in the box. Again we see that 7 is greater than 5, so we add 1 in the tens place digit and our number becomes 60. Now we replace other number 34 and round off this number. 3 is in underline and 4 is in the box. Now we see that 4 is smaller than 5. That's why we write 3 as it is and replace ones digit by 0. Now we have to add these numbers. So we add 60 plus 30, that is equal to 90. And this is your answer. Now we take one more question of this type, that is question number 13. Question number 13. That is equal to 538 plus 276. Now again, first we take the first number, that is 538, and we start to estimate this number, and at tens place we see the number is 3 and at ones place the number is 8, and this 8 is greater than 5, so we add 1 in this number and our number becomes 540. Because we replace ones digit by 0, so our number is 540. Now we take other number 276. Here also your tens digit number is 7 and ones digit number is 6. It is greater than 5, so we add 1 in this number and your number becomes 280. Now you have to add the number, and after adding you write 540 plus 280. Now your answer is 0, 8 plus 4, 12, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8, 820, and this is your answer. Clear this one? Now we start our next question. Now in the next question, estimate each sum nearest 100. हमें estimate करना है किसको? 100 को. Again, our question is same, only the estimation place is different. So, first of all, we write 458. Now we see that 4 is at the 100 place. So, we underline this number and see that 5 is equal to 5. That's why we add 1 in this number, and after adding we get 4 plus 1, 5, and replace ones and tens digit by 0. So our number becomes 500. Now our next number is 324. So we write here 324. Again we see that at 100 place number is 3. At tens place the number is 2. Because this number is less than 5, that's why we write this 3 as it is and replace the ones and tens digit by 0. So after adding these numbers, we get 500 plus 300, that is equal to 800. Clear this one? Now I hope you are able to solve these questions. So the other questions, question number 14 to 19, this is your homework and you have to do it yourself. Let us start our question number 20, and in this question you have to estimate each sum nearest 1000. Again the question is same, only we have to change the number at the place of 1000. So first of all we write the number 32,836, and here we see that at 1000 place our number is 2, and we make a box at 100 place digit and we see that this number is greater than 5, so we add 1 in the previous number, 1000 place number, and our number becomes 33. We replace the ones, tens and 100 place numbers by 0. So our number becomes 33,000. Our next number is 16,466. Again we see the 1000 place number. 1000 place number is 6. So we underline this number, and again we see the 100 place number, that is 4. So we make a box, and now we see that this number is less than 5. So there is no addition in the 1000 place number and it is right as it is. So we write 16,000. Now we have to add these numbers, and after adding these numbers we have to return 33,000 plus 16,000 and our answer becomes 0, 0, 0, 6 plus 3, 9, 3 plus 1, 4, that is equal to 49,000. Clear this one? Now in the next question number 21, this is a homework for you because this is also same question as it is question number 20. Now in the 22 question, you have to given there are 54 balls in box A. Box A में आपके पास 54 balls हैं and 79 balls in box B. Box B में आपके पास 79 balls हैं. So estimate the total number of balls in both the boxes taken together. How you do this question? First of all, you write balls in box A. Balls in box A, that is equal to 54. Now balls in box B, that is equal to 79. Now you have to add the total balls. So you write total balls that is equal to 54 plus 79. Again you have to follow the same process. Same process में first, because this number goes up to tens place, so you have to round off the tens place. So you write 54. 54 में 5 underline and 4 is in the box. This number is smaller than 5, so your number becomes 50, and the next number is 79. 7 is in underline and 9 is in the box. 9 is greater than 5, so you add 1 in this number, and after adding in tens place your number becomes 80. So your total balls is that is equal to 50 plus 80, that is equal to 130, and this is your answer. Clear? Now we start our next question, and in the next question you have to estimate the difference. Till then now you have to learn the estimation each sum, nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. Now you have to learn estimate each difference nearest 10. So you have to follow the same process, only at the place of addition you have to do the subtraction. So let us restart. First we estimate 53 and we underline at the place of 5 and make a box at the place of 3. Now we see that it is smaller than 5, so we write the number as it is. Now we take next number, that is 18. 1 is in the underline and at ones place digit, that is 8, we make a box and we see that this number is greater than 5, so we add 1 in this, and after adding our number becomes 20. Now we have to subtract the number, so we write 50 minus 20, that is equal to 30, and this is your answer. Clear this one? Now the question number 24 and 25, this is for your homework, and I hope you do it yourself. Now we have to estimate the question nearest 100. At the place of 10, we have to estimate it 100. And in 100, you have to do the question number 26. And in question number 26, the statement is that 678 minus 250. So we have to follow the same process. First of all, we write 678. Now we see that at 100 place your number is 6. So we underline this and make a box at place of tens. We see that 7 is greater than 5. So we add 1 in the number and our number becomes 700, because we replace ones and tens place by 0. Now our next number is 215, and here you see that 2 is at 100 place, so we underline this number, and at tens place your number is 1, and this number 1 is smaller than 5, so your number is as it is, and you write 200 this number, because we replace ones and tens place digit by 0. After subtracting, our number becomes 700 minus 200, that is equal to 500. Clear this one? And this is our answer. Now we do the next question. Now in this question, we have to estimate each difference nearest 1000. So we have to underline the 1000 place number. First we write the number 35,863. Now we see that at 1000 place our number is 5, so we underline this number and again put a box on 100 place, and we see that 8 is greater than 5, so we add 1 in 1000 place number and our number becomes 36,000, because ones, tens and 100 place number is replaced by 0. Now our next number becomes 27,677. Again we see the thousand place number. Thousand place number is 7. So we underline this number, and at a 100 place number we put a box and we see that this number is greater than 5. So we add 1 in the thousand place number, and now our number becomes 28,000, because we replace ones, tens and 100 place numbers by 0. And after subtracting 36,000 minus 28,000, we get 0, 0, 0, and 16 minus 8, that is equal to 8. 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. So our answer becomes 8,000. And I hope you have to clear all these questions, and the question number 31, this is for your homework. Till then, you have to do these questions yourself, and bye. Have a nice day.